So this is a sub. I'm on Reddit. This is a subreddit where people post pictures of the fridge or other people's fridge, and then you have to kind of like, I don't know, describe the type of person they are. Here right here it said my boyfriend fridge. What's that thing? Look like what's that? Cinnamon rolls. What's that? Is that your play? He like jelly rolls. What are those? Is that freaking? He eat eggs. Is that? And then you got the milk with the red top. Mmm. I don't know what those are. But look like he like a lot of snacks. Look like he a big dude. Probably big like me. Oh. Hmm. So I don't see anything that's like low calories. I don't know. Now, ever since I'm in a diet, that's how I look at things. Hmm. I don't know. What you guys think of this one? Let's do some more. Alright. A friend suggested I post. Let me have it. What you have in here? You drink. You drink beer. You got a lot of vegetable. Wow. That's how my food's supposed to look like. You have a lot of vegetables. I was like one of those top and bottom fridge. Wow, got a lot of vegetables, strawberries, grapes, got some spaghetti. Look like you eating healthy. Look like that's a person who's eating healthy. I see the salad. I see the salad here. Now that's a person that's eating healthy. Hold up. Pause. What the comment saying? Someone with money to burn. This is one well-stocked fridge. You're healthy and have great diet. Probably female. I envy the brands you buy and look at one more good value fridge. The yogurt container would have had leftover inside. Well, stack. Okay, let me see. Here we go. My girlfriend fridge. What? Let me know what you guys think. Cake. Cake. Your girlfriend have a cake business? Is that two cakes in the bottom? Uh-oh. I thought she's in the cake business. Oh, she's a baker. She's always choosing your wedding cake. Oh, she's getting too ready to get married seven different men. Your girlfriend is Martha Stewart. Okay. That's weird. Reddit's have been nice. I've been nice. This is our fridge. What you got going on here? Oh yeah, that look like a family fridge. All these containers. You got a milk that's barely hanging. You got another milk. leftover food, a little eggs. Dang, I need another fridge. This really screaming a single person life. You can't tell how organized it is. I don't know. I'm not the type of person to. I don't know. I feel like once a can is open, I either drink all of it, put it in the bag. I feel like don't it get flat? That look like a single male. Can you guess who I am? Man, they open fridge with the drawer in the bottom. Healthy, living a healthy, simple life. That's a beautiful fridge. What you got going on here? Healthy. Same fridge as the one above. Just basic. What about me? Oh wow. Look like you are. Look like you are stuck for another COVID lockdown. Do you have a stack of tissues too? And no, because COVID people they have a lot of bread and milk. That's it's kind of like too much all at once. What the people are saying. You shop like your parents said no to a lot of junk food when you was a kid. Eating healthy, looks like you like cheese. Organic, brown. Okay, let's do a couple more. I feel like well, I feel like I was in this one. What you guys think? Divorce, poor, work. I don't want to make it sound like offensive. I'm just being funny. Divorce, poor work like me, just moved in. Oh, yeah. So we just move in. Or first apartment. I don't know. What you guys think? A lot of milk. Who drink that much milk? You all need a diet. You eating all these eggs. A lot of vegetable in the bottom. You do got some meat up here. Hmm. Wow. Obviously, this look like it's from the store. Look like you had the store at the strawberry section. Don't play with me. and you just open. What are you, a baker? This is just your business fridge. I am a baker, Jim Baker, 20,000 bills in my refrigerator. I was gonna say. That's all you eat all day, then. What do you think? That's a single person right here. What you guys think? You guys like this?